So here we are, it is day one of Armageddon 2023.
That's the 11th annual Armageddon.
Now we've just played one game. The first game was the classic land grab, take a flag, push the team back. How did that go?
Defenders, attackers, hard yards. We were told at the end of the game, or at the start of the game, that attackers always win and they smoke the defenders. It was not that way at all.
Right gone, we've still got two on this side tuck road, one in, one behind.
No, it was pretty tough. It was very narrow passages, very choked. I think we did all right considering. Like, we definitely took down a few bad guys, but
we shot people who had fun.
Yeah, we're on the blue team, obviously. We didn't win. We actually got annihilated.
Have you got anything turquoise or teal or something like that?
I've got light blue and dark blue.
But hey,
last game was
horrible. It was fun. It was fun.
Last game, people were swearing at getting shot. First game didn't care. It was like, nice shot, bro. Last game was like, I gotta see it shot out.
Yeah, people were getting pretty frustrated.
Keep it on the bro, I'm going up. Keep it on, bro.
Push up.
Yeah, go Clint.
Let's go. Keep some fire on them. Keep some fire on them.
Keep pushing up. What's fire?
On the bunker just to the left over there.
Yeah, we have the back as well. One over on that one.
Go. Ah, I'll take it.
How'd that go, David? Oh, epic battle, bro. That was that was fun, man.
Got a bit of paint on your bloody goggles here, bro.
Yeah, bro. Sitting in the tree line, people try to take you out of there.
Get your first kill there, cuzzy. You get first kill.
I did. First kill. Yeah. Okay. Well,
yeah, and when he started it,
Unreal.
Inside up.
Nice work, brother. Nice work.
So we're bottlenecking into that little opening right there.
Is there a little path? Bottlenecking, I like that.
Yeah.
Do you want me to get it, bro? Do you want me to go grab you out the gun? And I don't mind, bro.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, okay, I can go up if you want to.
Oh, I'll come up there.
Sure.
Yeah, I'll come up. I'll do it some good, right?
Okay.
We're about to head down. Game 2 has just started. We've just flown the drone over. We're going to head down there right now. Game 2 is a little bit different. Game 2, you have 3 pieces of a missile. You've got to collect the 3 pieces from around the arena. Bring them all together, plug them in, make sure it's all working. So
building stuff.
Yeah, that sounds a bit more fun, eh? That's a bit more what we're into, a bit of scenario style stuff.
Swapped down the kit. We needed to put in fresh batteries. We filmed a little bit of stuff. Just testing things out, making sure our legs don't cramp up.
How you feeling?
I'm feeling actually pretty good. Body's a little weary. I've got more energy than my body can give me. No, it's different. Last time I was dead tired.
Yeah.
But I've just got to manage my body to get through this day nicely. But I'm going to cruise. I went too hard.
You've done absolutely fantastic so far. Nice work, brother. Let's get back out there.
Bloody balls, let's do it.
All good. Okay. 2 at the windy hut straight through here.
Yeah, right.
And then 2 at that big bunker on the tape line.
Is there 4 of them up there?
At least.
Oh, that makes sense. Okay.
Laying down in the head.
All right, going right. Well, I got one. Oh, cool. Which way?
Go straight towards that middle bush area.
All right. Thank you, sir. That ought to do it.
Where are you right now, bro? Over.
Right in that middle field where I left you before. Where are you?
I'm pinned down in that first row of trees. Over.
Roger that.
What should we do? What do you reckon? We've got guys over it. We've got a tree line we can't get through.
Yeah, I know. Everyone's kind of pushed down there.
I know.
But on their side, all the red team are on this side.
On this side, on the left side.
They're on this side.
Okay. Is that it?
Great skills. So if you ever want to get any custom t-shirts done, hit her up.
How was your day, boys? How did that go?
Awesome.
Yeah?
Nice.
Look at that.
Oh, that is a nice t-shirt. That is fantastic. You had a good day though?
Awesome.
Successful?
Of course.
Nice.
Now it's a party. What's up, boys? You guys have a good day?
Yeah, right.
Awesome day. So hot.
Who was red and who was blue?
We were blue.
All blue.
All blue.
All blue.
It was a tough game for blue.
Yeah, tough morning, yeah.
Fun though, yeah?
Yeah.
And you're going to be here next year?
Yeah.
Yeah, no, it was a good day. Nice of lots of people to shoot, and yeah, bloody hot. Perfect weather.
That second round with the shirt off.
Ooh, yeah. That was a good day, bro.
Paper slip.
That was a good day.
Oosh.
So we're at the Cambridge Armistice.
Yep, in Lake Karapiro. It's down by Lake Karapiro.
And yeah, we saw this is on, so we thought we'd come check it out on the way back.
We've got a military APC taking kids for a ride.
Look at the state of this.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
was that, David?
Epic, amazing, wicked. There's a million ways we could have done things differently. So what? We turned up, we had an epic weekend, loved every minute of it. Great day playing yesterday. Body is sore for all the right reasons, and that's what I love the most. Already thinking about next year, already thinking about kit upgrades and improvements, already thinking about fitness. So thank you Armageddon, thank you APC, thank you my bro Ryan. There's nobody else I could do this with. He actually looks after me when I don't look after myself. Thank you buddy. Let's go, 3 hours.